Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will be talking about the Planetary NFT. This video is not a financial advice, it is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get into it. This is the website of Planetary. You can access it by going to planetary-partyverse.io. They do have a Human Party Society NFT collection which is coming very soon. It is minting in 13th of July, so definitely keep an eye on that. It's a mint first and most valuable collection in this system. They have unique avatars which I'm going to show you in a bit that would allow you to be a part of the community. They have almost 20 unique abilities including free NFT astronaut suit and utility token allocation that hasn't come yet. You can use this NFT and get VIP tickets to special events in Planetary and real world. You get access to special clubs, VIP zones in Planetary across various blue chip NFT communities. You are allowed to be a part of the closed holders group on Discord. You get special items on Land NFT Museum. Your reward item drops in club increase by 1.5 times. You get guaranteed whitelist spots of the Land NFT collection, $500 allocation in Planetary token utility. You get priority as well when it comes to entering new planets and the possibility of voting in it. You get the ability to connect to the NFT jellyfish with Human Party Society collection, floating NFT above the head in Metaverse, entrance to special clubs in Planetary, airdrops for every holder, VIP packages and applications, ability to enter other planets, right to vote about the future of the development, and you get access to special characters of your custom NFT such as clothes NFT creator. So I do have some example over here just to give you an insight into the NFT collection. It will also help you understand better on what you can expect. So these are like really nice, beautifully designed NFT, very diverse I would say, because they kind of represent the everyday people we see, but also like from different backgrounds, from different identities. So that's really good. I feel it's a great platform when it comes to the ready-made mobile metaverses, as in addition to the NFT collection that they offer. I have also described the metaverses in previous videos, so definitely check it out. And over here we do have a little video teaser that would show you what you can expect in Planetary. It actually looks really cool. I really like it. Quite exciting stuff. So over here you can see we have our human NFT who's just walking around, and then a little bit of like a space guy who is just watching Earth from space. So I really like it. I think it's pretty cool. You can also download their app on App Store and Google Play, and their first NFT collection is gonna be minted on 13th of July, so keep an eye on that. And over here you can get more insight into all the different utilities and benefits you can get. You can also get this NFT on OpenSea. It is yet to be launched, so definitely keep an eye on this project. You can also earn money, meaning if you join the Planetary and you can collect all these gems, so you can also participate in free exclusive NFTs. You meet other meta geeks as well in clubs and during the event, so that's really cool. You can make friends, build a community, you can overtake dance floors, and you can also take benefit from possessing NFT to join exclusive clubs that are meant only for the NFT holders. They do have VR avatar calls, so it's still in the beta phase. So over here you can stay anonymous and communicate like on a wholly different level. You can speak with anybody via the calls, make new friends, have fun. You can also take care of your appearances, so you decide how you want to look like, you know, your hair, clothes, everything. You can pick that for yourself. They do have a jellyfish NFT airdrop in Planetary Club that is starting soon. Keep an eye on that. Over here we have the roadmap of the company. So phase 0 2020, the focus was on development, innovative idea, market research, gathering feedback, acquiring the equity investors, testing UX UI design, launching the beta version of the Planetary, fixing any bugs. In the phase 1 2021 to 2022, focus will be on establishing the plan for this year, forming a business model, concept of the collection, creating marketing strategy, beta testing, brand awareness, establishing various partnerships, creating play to earn model, creating a website, making the first 2 NFT collection, projecting the white paper paper and all of that fun stuff. In the phase 2, the focus is on Planetary launch, building a community, launching the first NFT, establishing corporation, introducing play to earn model, making new exclusive clubs for NFT holders, introducing leaderboard list airdrops, special events, online parties, connecting the community, making more language accessible, developing new features. In phase 3, the focus will be on Earth land sales in Planetary, developing the web editor panel, opportunity to party with the friends, special alien egg, community quest to unlock the Mars Nation takes a lead. And in the phase 4, the focus will be on staking and earning more, building the platform, creating more planets. Leaders of each planet would also get an opportunity to communicate with Planetary team. So overall, this is a really great concept. I'm really excited about the Human Party Society NFT. I feel that there are so many perks that you can get simply by holding the NFT, so that is really cool. Here is the team, the people who are working behind the project, so definitely worth keeping an eye on. So if you want to download the app, feel free, use this QR code to download the application. Overall, I feel that I am really excited about this project. I feel it's kind of cool and I am really looking forward to it. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.